Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you around my Kärcher HDS 650. It's got 70 bars and the temperature goes from 30 to 155 Celsius. And I'll bring you over a bit closer. As you can see from the outside, we've got a nice plastic cover with the Kärcher on there. You've got your gun. This comes with the wheels. On the rear end here, this is where you put your detergents and chemicals. You've got the chimney. You're coming around the front side here. We've got, this is where you put your diesel. And in there, there's a filter to stop any muck getting in. Also, you come up to here. This is your temperature control. Well, sorry, this is the mixing control for your water and chemical. Across here, this is your temperature control. So you go from 30 to 150. I've never been up there yet. Your on-off switch, also, this is just plain water, and that's your flame. And these are the dials indicating the lights do come on occasionally. And they're just indications. And down here, you've got the pressure. Right, now what we're going to do is take a look inside. This is an adjustment for the water in. This is if you're in a really strong area where the lime is really bad. This is your softener. Once again, you can see the water tank. This is your chemical tank. This is where all the work's being done. You've got a twin spark plug up here. And inside here is a coil where the water runs round and heats up. And basically this is a bit of a pain because every so often you have to slightly adjust it. It just helps the fire, it depends on the water pressure. You've got oil all over here. Apart from that, maintenance wise, it's pretty simple. You do have filters to change for the fuel and oil filters, and obviously there's a filter in here as well. Right, we'll get her fired up, which is fun, just to show her going. Bear this in mind guys, it's really loud, and it may be excellent. Now for putting the hot water on, unfortunately, I've got to have an assistant. I'll put it on hot water. Now, this is what I have to do to get the hot water on. The hot water is actually running now. What we're going to do is move it over here so you can have a look at what I'm doing over here. This is red hot now. It's hard work doing one hand. This is red hot. Whether you can hear me or not, I don't know. But this is paint. And as you can see, oil. Bear this in mind guys, if this was the underside of your vehicle, a van, a car, that would just take off any wax you've got underneath the vehicle. So hopefully that's opened your eyes to the daddy of all Kärchers. Now this is a 1988 model. It cost me just under £2,000. So this is not like your K1, 2, 3 and 4 and 7s. This is totally commercial beast. I got it for cleaning my bakery trays, and she's still working perfect today. Obviously, apart from that little gadget I've got down there, it just needs playing with, but one day or another, when I get time to mess around with it, I'll do it. So that's why I bought me little Kärchers to do basically the cars, because I can just pull them out when I want. This is a big beast, as you can see. It's on wheels and it's movable. but it does weigh a ton. So if you're lifting this in the back of a van, you'll need 4 of you, or if you're good strong guys, you could do it with just the 2 of you. Anyway, please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again in the next live video. Laters!